Hey guys, welcome to the final part of learning Lua. Today we're going to be going over 1D arrays. So these are data structures which hold an ordered arrangement of objects in a collection of rows. You can use these in Roblox Studio to keep track of game objects like textures or high scores and items that your player is going to use. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to begin by declaring a variable and I'm going to call it array. Then we're going to put these curly braces and we can put our items inside of these. So I'm going to put code and ninjas. So there it is. That is our array. It has curly braces and it has two objects, code and ninjas. Now let's print it to see what it prints. So to print an array, you need a loop so you can go through each item and print it. And we're going to do a for loop for this one. So I'm going to make a variable called I. So I'm going to start at I equals 1 because Lua indexing generally starts at 1, unlike some other coding languages like JavaScript and Java, which start at 0. And I'm going to do 1 to 2 because I have two objects here. Then I'm going to print our array. So I'm going to print array at I. Okay, so what this is doing, it sets I equal to 1, and then it'll print array at 1. So it'll print code, then I will be equal to 2, and it'll print array at 2, so ninjas. Right, so it should print code and ninjas. If I actually started from 0, it would have print NIL, and then code ninjas, because Lua indexing likes to start at 1. You can also create items in an array through a loop, so you don't always have to manually fill it up yourself like I did here. So I put code in ninjas, but you can use a loop to fill it up. So I'm going to make our array blank. And for this first for loop, let's do for I equals 1 to 4, do array at I equals I times 2. So this is going to set the objects in our array. So for the first one, I equals 1. Well, array at 1 is going to equal 1 times 2. Then I is going to equal 2. Array at 2, so the second object in the array is going to equal 2 times 2. And then the third one, the third object in the array is 3 times 2. And then the fourth one is 4 times 2. So this just sets the objects in our array. It doesn't print anything out. If we want to print something out, we can do the first for loop that we did in the first example. And we can do for I equals 1 to 4, do print array at I. So this will print out every object multiplied by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. If there is a way to make Lua use 0 as an index, but we have to start from a negative index. So I can start from -2 to +2. -2 to +2. And what this one's going to do, it's going to set our array to, so array at -2 equals -2 times 2. Then we're going to go to -1. Array at -1 equals -1 times 2. Array at 0 equals 0 times 2, and so on. So it comes out with -4, -2, 0, 2, and 4. Alright, so that's 1D arrays in Lua. You can go into Roblox Studio, see if you can make an array, and maybe set player scores in the array, and then see if you can try to print them out. Alright, that's all the time we have for today. I hope this helped.